What's the meaning of causality? Causality. Causality.
Causality. Causality. Causality refers to the relationship between an event, the cause, and a second event, the effect, where the second event is understood as a consequence of the first. In other words, causality is the understanding that one event brings about another event. This concept is important in fields such as science, philosophy, and psychology, where researchers seek to understand the causes of phenomena. A clear understanding of causality can help researchers make accurate predictions and develop effective interventions to prevent or address problems.